start your YouTube channel in 2025, but you're stuck wondering where to even begin? Don't worry. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything from setting up your account, creating your channel, to customizing your dashboard. And here is the best part. You don't need to be a techie. If you can click a button, you can do this. Let's get into the real work. First, you will need a Google account. This is likely your key to YouTube. You can use your existing Gmail or create a brand new one just for your channel. If you want to separate your personal life from your channel, I recommend creating a new one just for YouTube. Of course, fill in all the details that is required. Put in your password, your username, and your date of birth. Then go ahead and create your account. Here is a big part of the YouTube. Head over to youtube.com and click on sign in. Remember, you have your email that you created. It's either you use the email created or you use another account. So I'm going to use the email that I already created for the purpose of this tutorial. Go ahead and fill in the password to that email that we created. Remember, you can use a personal email, like personal account email, or a brand email. Anyone works, and you can open this using your phone or your PC. Anyone works. Okay, so once you've been able to fill in your details, that is, you log in, you sign in to the Google account, right? You're going to wait for it to open you up to a new YouTube interface that you are seeing here. So let's assume yours is there. Yours is going to be like what you're seeing, blank. So head over to open your profile, click that profile picture of yours, and you're going to see view channel. So once you click on that, your profile picture, you see view channel. Click on that view channel so that you can see how your channel looks. So your channel is going to be blank because you've not uploaded anything yet, right? Go ahead and customize that channel. You're going to put in the banner once the channel is opening up. Like once the channel opens, so you want to see your banner image. The dimension is there. If you are looking for the dimension, how to design it yourself, I made a video on that. You can check it out. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. Fill in your details, put in your your profile picture, and ensure that your description is SEO optimized, and you put the right tags for the channel. All right, then once you are done filling all of this, that customized link, I'm going to make a video on how you can have a customized link instead of using the YouTube URL that's already there, right? I'm going to teach you how to customize so it will be easy for people to just click and subscribe easily. And you're going to use a video watermark, that is, if you have any, to be showing, then showing all through your video. I mean, your clips will be seeing things like that, maybe your logo or something. Once you are done filling in all of this information, go ahead and hit publish, and your channel is live. Finally, let's take a quick tour of your dashboard. This is your control room. You see your analytics here, you manage your videos here, and you customize your channel. Basically, everything happens right here in your YouTube studio. And that is it. Your brand new YouTube channel is ready to go. In my next video, I will show you exactly how to upload your first video, optimize it, and start getting views. So make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming video. The world is waiting for your content. Create that channel now.